Welcome to Easy Drawing Classroom. Hello friends, I'm Anna Maria. It's nice to meet you. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to draw Santa Claus. Let's get started. Do you guys believe in Santa Claus? Santa Claus, the jolly gift giver. Santa Claus, also known as Saint Nicholas, or simply Santa. Santa is a beloved figure known for spreading joy during Christmas. He is often pictured as a cheerful, chubby man with a white beard, wearing a red suit with white trim. Santa lives at the North Pole with his magical helpers, the elves, who make toys for children all over the world. Legend says Santa has a team of flying reindeer that pull his sleigh, helping him deliver presents on Christmas Eve. He enters homes through chimneys and leaves gifts for children who have been kind and well-behaved throughout the year. The story of Santa Claus is inspired by Saint Nicholas, a kind man who lived long ago and gave gifts to the poor. Over time, his story grew into the magical tale we know today. Santa Claus teaches the joy of giving, kindness, and the importance of believing in something magical. Every Christmas, he reminds us to share love and happiness with others. It's painting time. What do you guys think? Our drawing is cute, isn't it? Let's add some sparkling glitter to our painting. SANTACLAUS, Santa Claus. Thanks for watching. See you next video.